Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can check and different financial reports. So just have a look. You can see here we have different reports. So if I go to the dashboard, we have dashboard, balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, bank statement, cash statement. So all these you can check and you can export to Excel also. So I will just open the profit and loss account. So here you can use the date filter option and just refresh. Here you can see my opening balance is this much and income is this. So expenses 0, and you can check this report according to your convenience. The date filter you can use. Then balance sheet also you can check. You can also with the projection with date range, so you can use the date range and you can check the how much your closing balance, how much your expenses, and net capital. You can everything you can check from here. Then if I go to the account statement, in a account statement we have different types of ledgers. So you can use any ledger, you can take any ledger, for example car expenses. So any transaction I have done for car expenses, you can use the date filter and you can check. So if I select cash, so what transaction done in cash on the 22nd November. So you can check here. These transactions has been done, late fee, interest received, principal received from Sumant. So these are the account statements. You can select any ledger and you can check the statement. So let's say processing fee. So no processing fee is taken today. So this type account statement you can check. Then bank statement. If I go to the bank statement and just refresh, here you can see bank deposit is 6,207, and here the loan amount received, interest received, all this received in bank account. So total is 34,547. So this type you can check each and every report. Here financial statement also there. You can just refresh here. So here the financial statement is with assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity. So any record you want to check, just click to this hyperlink is given. You can click here Bank of Baroda and you can check the details. Here also hyperlink is given in detail, you can check here. So this type in business summary we have the different reports, and each and every report you can print and export to Excel from here. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.